Hey friend! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a spicy Thai red curry chicken wings. I actually have a very unique relationship with chicken wings because my mom loved to make that when I was young. We used to live with the cousins, and whenever my mom's make it, she will only buy a pound, which is like 12 chicken wings, and I need to share it with all my cousins. So whenever we know my mom is making chicken wings, we know we have to fight for it because my cousins, they love chicken wings too. That's why chicken wings always have a special place in my heart. If you're looking for recipes for appetizers, happy hour, or I don't know, just to eat a snack, this will be perfect for you. Alright, let's get started! All you need for this recipe is about a pound of chicken wings. There are 10 chicken wings here. Water, red curry paste, brown sugar, garlic, a little bit of fish sauce, and then onion. Let's smash some garlic. Maybe that's not a good idea. Sorry guys. Let's sear the chicken wings under medium heat. Just add a little oil and we can start pan frying it. Oh my god, the oil is coming out! When both sides of the chicken wing turns golden brown, we can take it out and set it aside while we make the super tasty, flavorful Thai curry sauce. For the sauce, we just need to combine the water, diced onion, minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of red pepper paste, a little bit of brown sugar, and fish sauce. Sauté until everything is nice and combined, like this, almost, like this. Now we can put the chicken wing back and continue to cook it with the sauce. In 10 minutes, the sauce will reduce and it looks like this. Guess what? It's time to eat! Bon appetit! Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time. Peace!